at a $1,500 fine and 10 years in the Texas Department of Criminal Justice Institutional Division. The state is recommending probation or community supervision for a period of 10 years. I assume, Mr. LaHood, there's no application for deferred.
That is correct, Judge. It's just straight probation.
Got it. Ms. Sampaio, there's also a donation to Child Safe in the amount of $1,000, and we'll let's see about that TAP evaluation. It would have to come to you, I imagine. So TAP evaluation, just to see if you need any assistance while you're on probation. So it's 10 years, and the state is recommending community supervision. Ms. Sampaio, is that your understanding of the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, sir.
Mr. LaHood?
That's our understanding, Your Honor.
And Ms. Stewart?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. LaHood, does Ms. Sampaio have a
Yes.
rational as well as factual understanding of the charge and the proceedings against her?
Yes, Your Honor. There was a competency evaluation done fairly early on in this case. It's been going for about 4 years, but she was found competent, and I have no questions about her competency.
So she's been able to assist you in the preparation of any possible defenses.
Yes, sir.
In your opinion, at this point, is she legally competent to waive her rights and enter into this plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Beatrice Sampaio, are you a citizen of the United States of America?
I am, sir.
All right, Ms. Sampaio, if you would please tell me in counts 1 and 2 of this indictment, how you plead to the offense of tampering with evidence with the intent to impair. Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
Ms. Sampaio, has anybody forced you, threatened you, put you in fear, or promised you anything to make you plead guilty?
No, sir.
You are pleading guilty because you are guilty and for no other reason.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, Ms. Sampaio. I will accept her plea. State.
State offers State's Exhibit 1 with all of its attachments, as well as a discovery acknowledgement signed by both parties.
The defense has no objections, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you very much, counsel. States 1 is received in evidence at this time, as is the discovery acknowledgement. All right, I'm familiar with this case because I sentenced Christopher Davila in King Jay's case. So States 1 is received in evidence. I've reviewed these documents before in other cases. So Ms. Sampaio, at this time, I find the evidence is in fact sufficient, and I find you guilty of the offense of tampering with evidence with the intent to impair, a third-degree felony. Having made that finding, ma'am, I assess punishment at a $1,500 fine and 10 years in the Texas Department of Criminal Justice Institutional Division. I will grant your application for the plea bargain for a period of 10 years. There's a donation of $1,000 to Child Safe, and we shall follow up after the parties have consulted with me about a TAP evaluation to see if it's necessary, please, okay? So let's see about that, and I can talk to Julian from probation. Ms. Sampaio, I have followed your plea bargain, ma'am. You do not have my permission to appeal. Ms. Sampaio, do you have any questions for the court?
No, sir.
Okay, listen, stick around for a moment here. You're going to talk to Julian here from probation, and he'll tell you what happens next, okay?
Okay.
All right, good luck to you. Take care of yourself.
Excuse me, Your
Judge,
Honor.
they
Yes.
can't do a TAP virtual.
Hang on, Julian.
All right.
Ms. Maritza.
Yes, sir. If I may, we would like to just go on record as saying we've agreed to this recommendation on our conduct based only on the fact that, as the court can see, the defendant is on hospice care and is bedridden. We do not believe that her being sentenced to prison in this condition is a good use of state resources, and that's why we did agree with this plea bargain. So I just wanted to put that on record. Thank you, Your Honor, for that.
You're welcome, and I have filed your plea bargain, so for whatever that is worth. All right. Mr. LaHood, anything from you, sir?
Nothing further, Your Honor. Just let me know if we need to do anything else with the TAP. I'll obviously keep my file open until everything's sorted out.
Okay, I'll have Julian talk to Ms. Sampaio. I don't know that she's probably on a lot of meds, to be honest with you. I don't want to, I mean, I don't know for a fact, but a TAP might not show us anything. So let's talk about whether or not we want to do the TAP. Okay, guys?
Yes, Your Honor.
But if you think it's necessary, absolutely, it's part of the plea bargain. But I just don't know at this point if it's necessary to put Ms. Sampaio through that. So let's talk about that. All right. In the meantime, Julian, just visit with her. And if you need me for anything, you know where I'll be. All right. All right, thanks.